Hello friends, in this video we will see one more problem on sections of solid. So in this question let us see what is given. An equilateral triangular prism of side of base 40 mm and axis 60 mm long stands vertically on its base on HP with one of its rectangular faces parallel to VP and near to it. The prism is cut by a section plane 40° inclined to HP and parallel to and perpendicular to VP, passing through a point on the axis 10 mm from its top face. Draw front view, sectional top view and true shape of section. So, in this question, the question is divided into two parts. First part is the projection of solid and second part is projection of cutting plane. So, let's draw first projections of solid part. So, for that draw XY line first, VP above XY line and HP below XY line. So, this is according to first angle projection method. Now, see this is a triangular prism which is resting on its base on HP. So, we have to start from HP. So, on HP we have to draw the base of the triangular prism, that is a triangle. But how to draw this triangle? See, one of its rectangular faces is parallel to VP and near to VP. Means we have to draw the triangle in this way. Equilateral triangle of side 40 mm with one of the side AC, means here there is a rectangular face AC which should be parallel to VP and near to VP. So in this way we have to draw the triangle. Then mark the center point of this triangle by joining one of the corner with opposite side of that corner. Similarly, join another corner with opposite side of that corner. So intersection point is the center of this triangle, which is the axis OP in top view. So this is complete top view of prism. Now let's project its front view. So front view of this prism is simple rectangle with height 60 mm, which is the height of axis height is 60 mm. So axis here in front view it is O dash P dash. So axis O dash P dash is behind the longer edge B dash B dash. So this is complete front view of this equilateral triangular prism. So this is projection of solid part. Now let's draw the cutting plane. See the position of the cutting plane. Cutting plane is means section plane is 40° inclined to HP and perpendicular to VP. It means it is perpendicular to VP. It means we will get VT, section line VT in front view, which is 40° inclined to HP. But where is the cutting plane? So see, it is passing through a point on the axis 10 mm from its top face. So where is the axis? O dash P dash is the axis and this is the top face. So cutting plane is passing through a point 10 mm on the axis from top face. So mark this point 10 mm below this top edge, top face, and through that point draw cutting plane line VT 40° inclined to horizontal. So this is the position of cutting plane. So we have drawn position of solid and position of the cutting plane. Now next step is to draw the sectional top view and then we have to complete the front view. So to draw the sectional top view we have to mark the section points where the cutting plane cuts the edges of the prism. See, cutting plane cuts some of the edges, like it cuts A dash longer edge at one point. So mark this point as section point 1 dash. Similarly, it cuts the longer edge B dash. So mark that point as 2 dash. Then it cuts the top face at 2 edges. It cuts the 2 edges of the top face. So mark here 3 dash and 4 dash. So these are the section points in front view. So these are 1 dash, 2 dash, 3 dash. These are on the visible edges. Means see, observer is from this direction. So visible edges are this 1 dash longer edge is visible, b dash longer edge is visible, then top face of the top face BC side is visible from front side, but AC side is not visible from front side. This is the hidden edge. So 4 dash point section point is the on hidden edge of the top face. So these are the section points. Let's project these section points in top view. So we know that 1 dash is on longer edge a dash. So project vertically downward 1 dash point on longer edge a. So mark here section point 1. Similarly, project 2 dash on longer edge BB. Mark here section point 2. Project 3 dash and 4 dash on their corresponding edges. So 3 is on top side BC and 4 is on top side AC. So these are the section points in top view. So join these section points with continuous thick line and draw the section lines 45-degree inclined to XY line. So this is the section in top view. Now complete the front view. This is the front view. Top portion of the above VT it is removed. So retaining portion is this. So make these lines of the edges dark. Similarly, in top view these are the retaining edges. So make these lines dark. Now this is complete sectional top view and this is complete front view. Now let's draw its true shape of section. So for the true shape of section we have to draw projection lines through each section points from front view in this direction, means this is the perpendicular direction to VT. Then draw x1 y1 line to create auxiliary inclined plane. So x1 y1 line is parallel to VT. You can take suitable distance from VT. Now let's draw true shape of the section on AIP. Now see, in sectional top view there are 4 section points, 1, 2, 3 and 4. So simply we have to mark these section points on auxiliary inclined plane on the corresponding projection. So first of all mark 1 point. 1 point is it is on projection drawn through section point 1 dash. So mark 1 here such that distance between 1 and x1 y1, that should be, this distance should be equal to distance between 1 and xy line. So take this much distance in compass, take this point as center and draw one arc to get 1 point. So mark 1 point here. Similarly mark 2 point on projection drawn through 2 dash point. So on this projection mark 2 point, such that this distance between 2 and x1 y1 line should be equal to distance between 2 and xy line. So again take this much distance in compass, this point as center and draw one arc here to get 2 point. Similarly obtain 3 point and 4 point on projections drawn through 3 dash and 4 dash point. So these are the section points in auxiliary inclined plane. So join these section points sequentially with continuous thick lines and then draw section lines 45-degree inclined to x1 y1 line. So this is complete true shape of section. Now name all the views. This is the true shape of the section, this is the sectional top view and this is the front view. So this is the complete solution of this problem. Thank you.